Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Industry Sonic token. Ticker symbol is INSN. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting December 26th. And we're going to go over the information on the Industry Sonic token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Industry Sonic is pioneering the convergence of AI and blockchain technologies, empowering developers and businesses with transformative solutions. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. You can see there's a link to their webpage right there, industrysonic.xyz. Their Twitter is at INSN_official. Almost 2,000 tweets and over 36,000 Twitter followers. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed December 26th at 8 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT. And then on the 26th, you could go into the trade section, search INSN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Industry Sonic, it says, we enhance capabilities through distributed cloud computing for global innovation and seamless AI model deployment. Our global presence ensures that users from all backgrounds can utilize our platform to lead innovation and achieve success. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the remarkable potential of Industry Sonic together, paving the way towards a smarter and more connected world. With the rapid rise in popularity of AI-driven companies, integrating blockchain or Web3 remains complex and technically challenging. Tools like ChatGPT offer basic AI functionalities, but creating effective applications that combine AI and blockchain requires deep technical expertise, which deters many developers. Industry Sonic's solution is, number one, a platform. Industry Sonic has developed a platform that simplifies the integration of AI and blockchain. Number two, technology. So Industry Sonic leaves virtual GPUs and AI driving, which can support the developer's environment. Benefits, so this approach minimizes the need for expensive coding knowledge or deep blockchain understanding, makes sophisticated AI applications more accessible. AI Sonic, number one, is the purpose. So AI Sonic is the first AI agent with the industry's platform, showcasing the seamless integration of AI with blockchain. Number two, functionality. It enables users to deploy intelligent applications without traditional technical barriers. And number three is impact. As the barriers to entry to application distribution decrease, users can experience a wider variety of AI services. So Industry Sonic is a project that will be operated with the aim of leasing virtual GPUs and providing more AI services. And the platform facilitates easy creation and monetization of AI agents in a plug-and-play manner by enhancing the integrity and usability of data within the blockchain applications. Industry Sonic supports the development and deployment of AI-driven solutions across various industries. So Industry Sonic aims to enhance AI quality and functionality within the blockchain space, focusing on the following key objectives. To improve data integrity, incorporates a rigorous validation layer of peer-to-peer verification and expert reviews. Ensures only high-quality data is used for training machine learning models. Number 2, foster machine learning innovation. Encourage diverse contributions from a decentralized community. Promotes innovation and advancements in AI technology. Creates a reward ecosystem, so features a comprehensive reward system, fairly compensates efforts in data provision, model validation, and testing, fosters an active and engaged community, ensures transparency and trust, so utilizes blockchain technology for clear documentation of model training data, enhances transparency in development of characteristics, and enhance market accessibility, lowers barriers for enterprises seeking advanced AI solutions, expands data resources and maintains a robust network of validators, and reduces costs and complexity. So Industry Sonic supports a decentralized machine learning platform through a structured system architecture comprising of the following components: a data layer, so manages secure data upload, storage, and access, ensures data integrity and traceability, maintains the reliability of data used across the platform. They have model management interface, so facilitates the submission, management, testing, and deployment of AI models, enables developers to work efficiently, ensures models meet performance standards, and a reward system, so encourages contributions from data provision to model validation, ensures fair compensation for all participants, and validation arbitration layer maintains high quality and reliability of data and models within the ecosystem, ensures the trustworthiness and efficiency of deployed AI solutions. By integrating these components, Industry Sonic simplifies the development and deployment of AI agents, ensuring their effectiveness and reliability. And this approach places Industry Sonic at the forefront of blockchain innovation, making it an essential platform for leveraging AI in the blockchain applications. Now, the native coin of Industry Sonic is the INSN, and this is the central currency within the Industry Sonic ecosystem, and it can be used for transaction processing, network incentives, and governance participation. And this token will be listed very soon on Gate or gate.io. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.